Hey there! It's me, Bijaya, back with another interesting brief presentation. This presentation, I'm going to share some tips and tricks that are really will helpful to be a good public speaker. And I always follow these tips and tricks. So guys, let's go on to the video. Okay, number one is listen more and more native speakers English. If you wanna be a good public speaker, you have to listen more and more native speakers English. Such as you can see their movies, their songs, their audio, videos, special their presentation. You can see and listen. So guys, number one is listen more and more native speakers English. Okay guys, then number two is think in English. And number third, speaking out. Okay guys, now I'm giving an example. So what is this? This is a remote. So now I'm thinking that it's a remote. It's a very useful thing for me, and I can't pass a day without it. So it's called maybe my part of my life. Yeah. So it's called think in English. Then speaking out. After thinking, you have to speak in out. Okay guys. After thinking, hello guys, what is this? This is maybe a remote? Yeah, this is a remote, and it's a very useful thing for me, and I can't pass a day without it. So it's maybe my part of life. Okay guys, so it's called, first one is called think in English, and second one is speaking out. So number two, think in English, and then number third is speaking out. Okay guys. Number fourth, speak before the mirror. When you speak before the mirror, you can easily, smoothly notice your all mistakes, your body language, your smile, your everything you can notice. And number fourth is speak before the mirror. And when you speak before the mirror, you can notice all mistakes and you can smoothly solve it. Then number fifth is record your voice. Number fifth is record your voice. But there is a condition. What is this? Yeah, there is a condition. Record your voice, but don't be anxious of your voice or your mistakes. Okay guys, so number fifth is record your voice, but don't be anxious of your voice or your mistakes. Okay guys, then number sixth, make a partner for discussion. It's maybe your parents, your siblings, your cousins, your friends, teacher, etc. You have to make a partner for discussion in English. Then number seven, make a group for discussion. It's maybe a Facebook group or friend circle group, etc. as you wish, but you have to make a group for discussion. Okay guys, so is that clear? I think these tips and tricks are very useful for us if you want to be a good public speaker. And I always follow these tips and tricks because I want to be a good public speaker. Okay guys, so guys, this is all about my today's presentation. I hope you liked my presentation. I love my presentation, and you have to follow these tips if you want to be a good public speaker. And Please pardon me if I have any mistakes. Next time I'll come up another interesting video presentation. Till then, ta-ra!